My dad is pilot. Hey guys, welcome to the King of Aviation. In this video, we can see continuous smoke is coming out from the helicopter engine while flying. The pilot handles the situation very well and lands the aircraft in a safe place away from the traffic.
A lot of smoke coming out of the engine compartment. The whole doghouse is filled with smoke. He's Fountain and Highland, Fountain and Highland, Fountain and Highland.
Here is the beautiful gear swinging video of the airplane. Here is the amazing vertical landing of fighter jet. Wow, it's superb. Here is the very beautiful view of sunset. Here is the view of the blinking of red flashlight on top and bottom. It means the pilot is clear to start the engines. This Antonov airplane stuck in mud. Pilot applied full thrust and pulled it out. See how powerful the planes are. They can even come out from mud without taking help of anyone.